isn't that much more noticeable than a classical dash cam, and the effect that you have thanks to the side cameras is really cool. And the way it's good to get their image, so if you hide it too close to this panel, the side cameras will be obstructed. But as always, before choosing the right position of the dashcam, you should wire it, connect it to the application to have the image on the screen, and this way you can choose the best position of the dashcam. So first I will install the rear camera and bring the cable up front. Then I will do the hardwire kit. The rear camera doesn't come with electrostatic stickers, so you can simply stick it on top of your windshield. Always make sure to avoid the heating lines, because if you remove the camera, those could break and the heating will no longer work. If you want to know how to hide the cable correctly as I did here, please check out the video as positioned. For now, I just try to hit the camera between the two lines, but we can adjust the angle once it is wired up. Now we bring the cable in front. Okay, the hardwire kit is connected as well. As you can see, my yellow wire goes to a red wire, but as I told before, normally it is a red that is continuous and yellow for accessory. If you want to find out in detail how to do this, you can find this video where I explain in detail how to hardwire any dashcam. But in the TIESFONG manual, they also address this topic in a lot of details. It's the first time I see that much detail about how to wire a dashcam. So, well job, TIESFONG. And last thing, I installed the GPS module right over there. Now I've got my 3 cables and I can hook up the dashcam itself. Now we can pick the right position. So I will start with the GPS and the rear camera. Now we can wire the dashcam itself. And your image. Please format the SD card. Now we just look for the best place that the side cameras aren't obstructed. So right here would be the best place, so I can install the electrostatic sticker. Now they never give you a tool like this with it, but it is really handy to apply the sticker, or you can use a credit card or some, but to apply the sticker and remove all the air bubbles. Now the camera is installed, you can adjust the angle. All set. We have quite some information on the screen itself. We've got all options that are activated. We have the recording information and the menu options. We can try to toggle around the screen, so we have the front view and the two side views. Now with front and back view, the two side views, front view only. Maybe I should just sit a little bit lower like this. Only the rear view and the fore view. Compared to my other dashcam, I don't think it is that visible, speaking for the dashcam itself, but there again the white sticker is way too visible. And then on the front there's a little LED light as well, right over here, that shows red as soon as the radar is activated. And then here on the hardwire box you also have a light. That's really handy though. It's green if the car has enough power to make the parking surveillance work. If the battery drops below the level you set here, so now this is set to the 11.8 volt position, this light turns red and you know that the parking surveillance option doesn't work.